Win this custom $65,000 side-by-side and support Blue Ribbon Coalition in our fight to keep our public lands open. I'm here in the shop of R1 Industries, where they are putting in tens of thousands of dollars worth of upgrades into this Polaris RZR. This is gonna be one of the best built, best customized machines out on the trail, and you could be the winner. We'll be giving you this machine with all of its customizations and upgrades, a trailer, and $10,000 cash. I want the expert, the mastermind behind all the upgrades we put into this. This is Riley from R1 Industries. Riley, can you tell us everything you've done to make this machine one of the coolest machines you guys have ever put together?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ben. So right behind me, we've got our brand new 2025 Polaris Pro S 4-seater. We have loaded this thing with everything. We've got a roll cage, tires and wheels, radius rods. We've got seats, we've got everything you could possibly need. Here at R1, we wanted to make sure that we provided you with a turnkey machine that everyone out there would want. This thing is loaded, and we're super excited to give this away and partner up with you guys.
And this sweepstakes is going to be one of the most important sweepstakes we've ever done at Blue Ribbon Coalition. There is a lot of momentum right now for the Outdoor Americans with Disabilities Act. This legislation would require federal land managers to keep a certain number of routes open on our public land so that they can be accessible for all Americans. We have set a goal to raise $100,000 by May because we have had a lot of our supporters come out of the woodwork. These are supporters who have disabilities, who've read this bill and recognize that this would provide guaranteed access for them to our public lands. We want to fly these advocates out to Washington, D.C. so they can meet face-to-face with their members of Congress and tell them why they should support this bill. The first $100,000 we raise for this sweepstakes, we will use to fly those advocates out to D.C. and do whatever we can to get this bill across the finish line this year. But we can't do it without your support, and that's why we are so grateful for all of the partners who've really come together to make this one of the best prizes we've ever given away. We will have a video update later that will showcase all of the awesome upgrades that are going into this machine. And I promise you, once you see that everything that's going into this is going to be something you are going to want to win. It will be the most capable machine on the trail. It will turn the most heads. And by entering to win this machine, you will be supporting our work to get the Outdoor Americans with Disabilities Act passed out of Congress. And that's not all. At Blue Ribbon Coalition, you know we are fighting in lawsuits to open our trails in Moab, to open our trails in the San Rafael Swell, to open trails in the Mojave Desert, to reverse abusive national monument designations. All of these donations, after we hit our $100,000 goal, will go to support our legal fights and our work to keep our public lands open.